morning, children. Yesterday's class means last class, we have already started to learn about algebraic identities. Some of the identities last class we have discussed. Today we are going to discuss the problems based on that. Just for a revision, I am going to explain whatever the identities we have covered last class. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. Then the fourth one, x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then the next one is a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. I'll explain each one of them while doing the sums. The first one, expand 3x plus 4y whole square. 3x plus 4y whole square. This is similar to which identity now? A plus b whole square. So right side we are writing the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now compare the question. What is the question for us? It is 3x plus 4y whole square, right? So we are writing the first question only. Now comparing with the identity, we know that plus also there, whole square also there. We have chosen the identity a plus b whole square. Now compare this identity with the given question. So in place of a, we are having 3x. In place of b, we are having 4y. Right? Now between sign is plus only, so there is no problem. So 3x and 4y we got here as a and b respectively. Now what is expansion of a plus b whole square? The first term is a square, second term is 2ab, third term is b square. So the same way we are writing here. So first a square means it is 3x whole square plus 2 into a means 3x, b means 4y plus 4y whole square. Now 3x whole square means it is 9x square. The square term is distributed to 3 as well as x. Now the numbers to be multiplied, 2 into 3 into 4, that is 6 4s are 24 xy. Here plus sign we are continuing. Then here square to be distributed to 4 and y, so 16y square. That is first one is 4 square, then the second one is y square. This is the answer for this question. So therefore 3x plus 4y whole square equal to 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. This is the answer. So this is similar to our last year's 8th class identity. We have solved many sums. So directly I had gone with the coefficient of x, y, for coefficient of y as a numbers only. So you can easily cop up with this example. So the example I'll repeat once again. 3x plus 4y whole square is the question. Now we should choose which identity is suitable here. We have identified that it is a plus b whole square. Now comparing with the identities, what we can write, a equal to 3x and b equal to 4y. If a plus b whole square is the identity, the terms are a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here also 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 4y plus 4y whole square. This square is distributed to 3 and x, so it is 9x square. Similarly here 16y square. Middle term multiplication, 2 into a means 3x, b means 4y. So 2 into 3x into 4y, so it is 24xy. Therefore our answer, what is the answer? 3x plus 4y whole square equal to 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. Second question, expand root 2x minus 3y whole square. So compare again, we should find out the suitable identity here. So root 2x minus 3y whole square means it is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we are writing the solution now. First we will write a solution. Question, root 2x minus 3y whole square. Okay, we identified the identity. So I'll write the reason identity first. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a and what is b we should take down. So compare with the question and the identity. By comparing, what we can write, in place of a it is root 2x. In place of b it is 3y. Now see, here also minus, here also minus. So there is no confusion. There is b equal to minus 3y like that. There is no need of writing that one. We should compare. In place of a, what is the term? Root 2x. In place of b, what is the term? It is 3y. So now we got identified the terms, and we already came to know what are the terms for a and b. Now we should go for the solution. What is the first term? It is a square. That means root 2x whole square minus 2 into, what is a? Root 2x. What is b? 3y. Then plus b square plus 3y whole square. Right? So these are the terms expanded now. Now we have to give the in the exponents rule. 2 should be distributed to root 2 as well as x. So this equal to root 2 square into x square. I am splitting like this, means some children will do the mistakes here. And again 2 into 3, numbers to be multiplied first, 6 and root 2 xy. No like term, only one root 2 is there, so root 2 will come. Now this is easy for you, 9y square. That is 3 square and y square. Only the problem is root 2 number. So what is the meaning of root 2 square? So root 2 square means root 2 into root 2. That means root 4. It is equal to 2. Right? So 2x square minus 6 root 2 xy plus 9y square. Once again the answer we should take down. Root 2x minus 3y whole square equal to 2x square minus 6 root 2 xy plus 9y square. This is the answer. I hope you have understood all the steps. Anybody needs explanation, listen once again. What is the question? Root 2x minus 3y whole square. We should identify which identity is more suitable here. So the suitable identity is a minus b whole square. So we have written the reason right side. A square expanded, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Comparing, we should take down what is a and what is b. So we identified a equal to root x and b equal to 3y. Now what is the next step? Come to the left side and expand it. By the first term is a square, means root 2x square. The last term is b square, it is 3y square. The middle term sign minus 2ab, 2 into root 2x into 3y. Now this is root 2 square, x square will come. Root 2 square means 2. You got the steps here. Root 2 square means root 2 into root 2, that is root 4 equal to 2. So we are getting 2x square minus 6 root 2 xy plus 9y square. I hope you understood all the steps. Then final conclusion, root 2x minus 3y whole square equal to 2x square minus 6 root 2 xy plus 9y square. Next question, expand x by 2 minus y by 3 whole square. One by one we are following the difficulty level, we are increasing. So x by 2 minus y by 3 whole square. Same question only. What is the identity? Same procedure. We should first identify what is the identity. So identity is a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a and what is b to be written? So for solution we should take down the question once again, x by 2 minus y by 3 whole square. Now you have understood that question and the identity. Compare the steps and identify what is a and what is b. A means x by 2, b means y by 3. Right? So a means x by 2 and b means y by 3 only. So now we have to write a square. So x by 2 whole square minus 2 into x by 2 into y by 3. What is the expansion I have done here? 2ab. 2 into x by 2 into y by 3. Next term b square. So y by 3 whole square right? So this is equal to square to be distributed to numerator as well as the denominator by the rules of laws of exponent. So it is x square by 4, that is 2 square. I'll write 2 square only, nobody should get any confusion. So here 2 square minus this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, so xy divided by 3. Now y square divided by 3 square, right? So it is equal to x square by 4 minus xy by 3 plus y square by 9. So once again, last step conclusion, x by 2 minus y by 3 whole square equal to x square by 4 minus xy by 3 plus y square by 9. Put it in a box. Okay. So what we have done here, just to see the expansion of a minus b whole square only we identified. So a minus b whole square we have taken and expanded x by 2 whole square minus 2ab 2 into x by 2 into y by 3 plus y by 3 whole square. Expanded x square by 4 we will get minus xy by 3. Why it is happening? Because 2's are get cancelled. Y square by 3 square is y square by 9. So conclude the answer, x by 2 minus y by 3 whole square equal to x square by 4 minus xy by plus y by 3 plus y square by 9. This identity reason to be written right side. The next question, expand x plus 2 into x plus 5, or we can say find the product also, the same thing only, x plus 2 into x plus 5. You just identify the identity x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Very well you know that this identity. Still we are doing the sums. So solution I'll write here. Solution, question once again, x plus 2 into x plus 5. Now what is to be written on the right side? Which identity to be selected? So the identity is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. What is x? What is a? What is b? To be written, because here 3 terms are coming, so 3 terms should be identified. In place of x we are getting x only, so x equal to x. In place of a, what we are getting? 2. In place of b, what we are getting? 5. Now listen, here when you are comparing the identity, here also we are having both plus and here also we are having both plus only. So there is no confusion. So we can go for directly the identity only. Now put the equals. What is the first term? X square. So in place of x, x only. So it is x square plus a plus b into x. What is a? 2. What is b? 5. So 2 plus 5 into x. Next ab means product, 2 into 5. So it is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. Therefore x plus 2 into x plus 5 equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. This is the basic question of this formula. Then later we can see the plus or minus sign will change. Now what we have done here, x plus 2 into x plus 5 is the question. We compared with the identity, which is the identity x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Identified what is x, what is a, what is b. Now we have substituted in the formula. First term is x square, so it is also x square. Next is a plus b into x, so 2 plus 5 into x. Next product, that is ab, 2 into 5, so x square plus 7x plus 10. So our answer is x plus 2 into x plus 5 equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. Next question, expand x plus 5 into x minus 3. So we have to take down the solution, means once again the question, x plus 5 into x minus 3. Okay. Now the next step is identify the identity. So fourth identity, that is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now what is x, what is a, what is b, we should identify. Before that, what is the question we are having? X plus 5 and x minus 3. But what is the identity we are having? Both plus only. So what we should do here means x plus 5, there is no change because the plus sign we got here. Now minus 3 is there, that should be written like this. X plus into minus 3, that is minus 3 only. Now you compare and tell me what is the x value. In place of x, it is x only. In place of a, it is 5 only. But in place of b, what you can see the change? It is minus 3. In place of b, what is the change we got here? b equal to minus 3. Otherwise, what we have to do means all the formulas we have to learn. X plus a, x minus b, x minus a, x minus b. Like that, we have to change the formula. That is not required. You learn one formula that correctly you learn. That is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Right? Now you compare. Because these both are plus, we are making them plus only. So, minus 3 to be written plus into minus 3. Right? Now compare with the identity. You can identify in place of x we are getting x, in place of a we are getting 5, and in place of b we are getting minus 3. So now what is the first expansion? X square. So here also x only. So x square. Now plus sign, plus. What is a? A is 5. What is b? It is a plus b only. So plus minus 3. This is the change. Next, x only we will write a plus b into x plus ab. ab means 5 into minus 3. I think no confusion here because it is a minus 3 to be written as plus into minus 3. According to that, some changes will come in the answer. So 5 plus minus 3 into x, 5 into minus 3. It is equal to x square plus 5 plus minus 3, it is 2. So 2 into x, 5 into minus 3, it is minus 15. Therefore, we can write the answer x plus 5 into x minus 3 equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Okay, what is the change happened here? B equal to minus 3. Actually, by formula, B is plus only. So, we are making this minus 3 as a plus. How? Plus into minus 3. Now, we can write in this way x square plus a plus b. A plus b means 5 minus 3. That is 2. A into b means 5 into minus 3. So, our answer is x square plus 2x minus 15. So once again you can conclude the answer x plus 5 into x minus 3 equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Expansion, whatever sub questions is required, I have already solved. Next part, find the product. Similar only but in the different way. 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. Here identity is changing. Which identity it is? A minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b. That means third identity. A square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. 2 bracket. See the terms a are same 2x only. B is also same 3y and 3y. Only the sign changes. So this is a plus b into a minus b. Now you can identify the identity. We are writing the identity a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So what is a? What is b? Compare the question. Now you can easily tell in place of a it is 2x, in place of b it is 3y. Now one is plus, one is minus only. Here also one plus sign and another bracket is having minus sign. Now what is the term we want? A square and b square. What is a square? 2x whole square. What is b square? 3y whole square. So it is equal to 4x square minus 9y square. Very easy one only, easy identity. So conclusion, 2x plus 3y into, therefore 2x minus 3y equal to 4x square minus 9y square. Don't forget to write the reasons always. So this also to be written right side. the identity whichever we have used. I think there is no need of explanation. 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. The identity is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square only. So the answer is 4x square minus 9y square. Next question, find the product x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 into x raised to 4 plus 1. So difficulty level little bit increased here, I know that. So x minus 1 into x plus 1. See the terms itself, you came to know which identity it is. It is a minus b into a plus b. So we'll write that identity, that is the reason here. A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Here we are using so many times, so you can avoid what is a and b. If you are not having enough practice, you repeat what is a, what is b and all. So b square should be written, the 2 on the top only, so a square minus b square. Now listen here, the first 2 bracket we are considering, which is that bracket x minus 1 into x plus 1. So for your understanding, you can avoid, those are got enough practice, they can avoid what is the a, what is b, like that. I am writing each steps. So x minus 1 into x plus 1 we are considering, that time x minus 1 into x plus 1. So what is a? It is x. What is b? It is 1. So a square minus b square, right? A square minus b square means what is a square now? X square. Only the 2 bracket I am writing. It is a equal to x only. So x square minus 1 square. This is for these 2 bracket, right? Now this I'll put in the bracket. Again continue the remaining bracket. X square plus 1 into x raised to 4 plus 1, right? Now again I should consider these 2 bracket. What is that one? X square minus 1 square, x square plus 1. Once again I'll write x square minus 1 square means x square minus 1, x square plus 1. So if I consider these 2 bracket, again you can see that what is, it is in the form a minus b into a plus b. So this step, what is a for us? A is x square. What is b? B equal to 1 for the second step. So this is, you can avoid each step, what is a and what is b we can write, right? So this can be written as a equal to x square now. So a square means x square whole square minus 1 square. 1 square is, there is no problem. So 1 square only we can write. So here this is the next bracket. Now what is the remaining terms? X raised to 4 plus 1. So what is x square whole square? It is x raised to 4 minus 1. X raised to 4, then the second term is 1, so x raised to 4 minus 1 into x raised to 4 plus 1. Now you tell me, again this is in which form? A minus b into a plus b form, right? So a minus b into a plus b form means, again we can change a and b here. What is a here? X raised to 4. What is b here? It is 1. So the same identity we are using, and each step you can see that a equal to x raised to 4, each term a and b are changing. B almost 1 only all the cases, but a is changing. Now a is x raised to 4. So what we can write? A square means x raised to 4 whole square. B square 1 square. That means x raised to 8 minus 1. Why I have written 8 there? It is loss of exponents rule. This 4 to be multiplied with the 2. Don't take 4 square there. It is 16 will be there. That is not the answer. It is 4 into 2. Therefore, x raised to 8 minus 1. So, what is the answer here? X minus 1. Question. Big question only. X plus 1. X square plus 1. X raised to 4 plus 1 equal to x raised to 8 minus 1. Okay, once again I will explain the question because it is lengthy little bit compared to our previous sums. What is the question? X minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 into x raised to 4 plus 1, right? So first you take the first two bracket. It is x minus 1 into x plus 1. Easily you can tell me which is the identity there. That is a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square to be used. While comparing this step, we know that for this particular step a equal to x, b equal to 1 only. So we are writing x square minus 1 square, right? A is x means a square is x square, b is 1 means b square is 1 square. So x square minus 1 square. Now the second bracket, that is x square plus 1, then the next bracket x raised to 4 plus 1. Then you have to compare the first two brackets again. See that one is x square minus 1, one is x square plus 1. Again it is in the form a minus b into a plus b. So again we are using, but what is the change happened here? A became x square, b is 1 only. So here a square means x square whole square. So we are getting x raised to 4 minus 1. So what is the last term now? X raised to 4 plus 1. Again if you compare these two brackets, what you can see, it is in the form a minus b into a plus b. So while expansion, what you will get? X raised to 8 minus 1. Children, what they will do? They will continue with these two brackets. Suddenly x raised to 4 plus 1 will come in the last step. It should not be like that. Once you identified these two brackets, only used the identity, the remaining two brackets should be continued there. Again the third bracket used here, and we are solving this one. We are finding that one, and again the last is alone, but you should continue till the last step. So what is our final answer? X raised to 8 minus 1. So you conclude the answer like this: x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 into x raised to 4 plus 1 equal to x raised to 8 minus 1. Find the product. X minus y by 5 minus 1 into x plus y by 5 plus 1. Till now we have seen only two terms expansion only. Now what happened to this one? This is three terms are there. Now see that one. For the first question, minus is coming for second term and the third term. Now here it is both are plus. So what we should do such question means x minus y by 5 minus 1. Question I'll write first, x plus y by 5 plus 1, right? So x minus common I am taking from these two, minus common I have taken, then y by 5 plus 1, right? I think you understood this one. I have taken minus common, so x minus common, then y by 5 plus 1 I got. Again the second bracket, what it is, there is a plus common I will take, so x plus y by 5 plus 1, x plus y by 5 plus 1, right? Now this is our A and this is our B. So this is A minus B and this is A plus B. Clear? So while comparing, you came to know that what is A? A equal to x. What is B? Y by 5 equal to plus 1. Y by 5 plus 1. See that one? Plus B means plus y by 5 plus 1. Minus B means minus of B. That is y by 5 plus 1. So we have written correctly there what is A and what is B. So you know that this is A minus B and this is A plus B. Now I can rub this one. Okay, now what is the next step? It should be written as a square minus b square. What is a square? It is x square minus b square means y by 5 plus 1 whole square. This is the difference between the previous and this question. Here two terms are there. Now which identity here it is coming? A plus b whole square. We cannot stop here. We cannot keep like this. We should see that here also one more identity we can use. What is that identity? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? What is A? A equal to y by 5. What is B? B equal to 1. Now we are keeping the minus. After that bracket we are writing a square means y by 5 whole square plus 2ab means 2 into y by 5 into 1, right? Plus 1 square. So x square minus y square by 25. All the terms are in bracket only. Now plus 2y by 5 plus 1. Still the answer is not complete because minus to be given or expanded with minus sign. So it is equal to x square minus y square by 25. Always some of the children will give the first term minus, second and third term they will forget. We should expand the second term, third term with this minus also. So minus 2y by 5 minus 1. So we got the answer now. Therefore, question x minus y by 5 plus 1 into x plus y by 5 plus 1 equal to x square minus y square by 25 minus 2y by 5 minus 1. After seeing the third term, you felt that this is a difficult sum. It's not difficult, it is also easy only, but we should arrange the terms correctly. So we have arranged minus taken common here. So y by 5 plus 1, plus is here, y by 5 plus 1. Now this is in the form a minus b, a plus b. That means a square minus b square. Still, what is the problem here? We have to expand it. So y by 5 plus 1 whole square to be expanded. X square minus y by 5 whole square means a square plus 2ab. 2 into y by 5 plus b square. So now what is the case? We are expanding this and we are getting 3 terms. Still it's not finished because we have to expand with minus sign. X square minus y square by 25 minus 2y by 5 minus 1. Lastly, conclusion. So I hope you understood all the questions related to this identity. Just we have covered 4 identity today. Still sums are there. The next class we can.